Alright guys, so today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So let's get right into the video, guys. So right here we have some paperwork as usual, but one thing I noticed, there's no more Apple stickers, so that's kind of sad if you like to collect those Apple stickers, because there's no more Apple stickers coming with the AirPods. And then we have the AirPods itself right here, and right off the bat, the whole unboxing experience just feels so tiny. Like, the box itself is tiny compared to the AirPods Pro 2 box, and the AirPods itself just looks so tiny compared to the AirPods Pro 2 also. Like, look at that. On the left is the AirPods Pro 2, and on the right is the new AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So yeah, let's get rid of this real quick. Just slide it out like that. And boom, there you have it. Nice and clean looking. This is the one without active noise cancellation, so there's no speaker right here or anything. You just get the case that doesn't have wireless charger or anything like that. You just get a case with the USB Type-C charging port. And there you have the AirPods right there itself. And this one doesn't have any silicone tip or anything like that. It's just the hard plastic against your ears. Again, some people like those, some people hate it. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section which one you like. You like it with the ear tips, or you like it with just the hard tips like this one right here. So I'm just gonna do a quick fit check. So let's try to put it in my ear real quick like that, and put the next one like that. Surprisingly, this feels really good, guys. Like, compared to how everyone was talking about the AirPods 3, that it wasn't fitting like how the AirPods Pro was fitting, like it used to fall out of your ears so easily. I was expecting the AirPods 4 to not fit as good as how it's fitting now. Like, I can do a shake test and it's still inside my ear, nice and easy. I don't have to worry about it falling out or anything like that. So it fits really good, but I probably prefer the AirPods Pro 2 because I prefer silicone ear tips over the hard plastic against my ears. Just my preference personally. Like, this AirPods 4 is so small, I can almost like cover it inside my hands and you can't see it. Like, look at that. And my hands are not the biggest and it's not the smallest, but that's how small it is inside my hands. Really nice. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing of the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. I did an unboxing of the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, so you can check that out at the end of this video, or check the links in the description down below. Also guys, subscribe because there will be a bunch of AirPods 4 content coming across this channel pretty soon. I have some cases from Spigen and ESR that I'm going to check out on the AirPods 4, so you guys definitely want to check out those videos because those cases might just be the best cases that you can get for the AirPods 4. So subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos, and also subscribe because we are almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Like this video if you like it, and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know which AirPods are you gonna get. Are you gonna get the one with active noise cancellation, or are you gonna get the one without active noise cancellation? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.